producer told Amador and her to drink alcohol before the taping.
He saw that we were nervous, and he said, oh, just, have a couple drinks and loosen up. You guys will be okay. And so that's what we did.
This civil suit goes further, charging that the show provided free liquor to increase the likelihood of scandalous conduct. The suit also alleges that Schmitz told the show's producers that if his secret admirer was of the same sex, he did not want to be on the show. In fact, notes taken by a Jenny Jones staffer indicate that Schmitz said he won't want a guy saying this to me on the air.
The Jenny Jones said, yeah, they ambushed him, they ambushed my brother. If they would have warned my brother that Jonathan Schmitz didn't want to be on the TV show, Scott wouldn't have went through with it.
Producers testified in the criminal trial that Schmitz knew what he was doing, but one did admit she was not exactly truthful.
Could it have been a woman?
No.
But you told John it could have been a woman, right?
Yes.
Isn't that a lie? You told me something that it couldn't have been.
Sure.
The defendant's attorney, James Feeney, says that keeping the show's topic a surprise does not amount to deceit.
The show did everything reasonable to disclose fully and truthfully what was going on here. It was a surprise show, but Mr. Schmitz knew and was told that his secret admirer could in fact be a man, and Mr. Schmitz himself was told by his friends that it was probably Scott Amador.
Feeney says a bigger problem with the plaintiff's case is the allegation that the show caused the killing.
The fact that this murder happened 3 days after the show, after these folks had gone out and partied together and everything else, is pretty remote. And that's the defense in the case.
The defense argues it was what happened between Amador and Schmitz after the show that may have led to the killing. Amador's mother recounts what Scott told her.
Says, by the time they went out after the show, and by the time the night was over, that they had an affair.
Even if the show did provoke the killing, there's a thornier legal hurdle for the plaintiffs. They'll have to prove that the show's producers should have known a murder could result from the broadcast.
What you have to be saying in some way is that making a homosexual advance to somebody on television is something that could foreseeably drive them to kill someone.
Jeffrey Feiger says Jones and her producers have no excuse.
Listen, when you do that sort of thing, you better understand that you could be humiliating, ambushing, embarrassing Schmitz to such an extent that he might react. And he did. He did. Now, don't tell me under those circumstances, having done that, Jenny Jones, that you're not liable for the consequences.